Hello and welcome back to your channel, where the goal is to help empower, give you money tips, and also to help create balance in your life. If that's something you're interested in, make sure to like and subscribe to this channel, and we'll make sure to address those topics. Today's question is, what does housing counselors do? I've been getting that question a lot, so I'm going to answer that today in the video. So I've been a housing counselor since 2008, and so I'll go over one of our main goals as housing counselors. Our main goal as a housing counselor is to help people to be more confident and more prepared when they become a homeowner. That is our main goal as a housing counselor. Some of the things that we help people with is helping them to learn how to budget, helping them to reduce debt, helping them to save money, helping them to repair their credit. We also teach homebuyer education classes. That's usually 8 hours. We also teach them about different mortgages. We teach them about the different key players as in a market. We also help them to understand the different paperwork that's involved as being a homeowner, helping them be more prepared. Those are different things that we do. And we do a whole lot more, but those are just a brief summary of what housing counselors do. Hopefully that has answered your questions about what housing counselors do. And I encourage you, if you haven't already taken a homebuyer education class, if you're thinking about being a homeowner, I encourage you to take one. I'll put some links down below. Agency that I work for that I teach homebuyer education classes, you can take one there, or you can go online, and I'll put those links down below of the homebuyer education classes that will be beneficial for you. Hopefully, that has helped empower you today, give you some money tips, and also to help create balance for you. In the meantime, have a great day, everyone.